Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Welcome to the Summer Solstice event by ColourArte. So far, I'm sure you've been watching all the artists and collecting those words for the secret phrase to get your chance to get your hands on a $400 shopping spree on ColourArte website. It's such an awesome giveaway, and Leslie, we thank you so much for doing this. So this is the summer one, and it was kind of, didn't have to be summery, so it was kind of like, whatever you want to do, go for it. So I am going to be doing one of my abstract hearts that it's kind of like a Dutch pour, but I use my own breath. I don't use a hair dryer. And it's just in the shape of a heart, and you put down the little puddles. Well, we'll see as I go, but you put down all the colors and then I blow it out, and they come out really, really pretty. And then I actually use a knitting needle or a skewer to do some detailing. So I have a lot of colors here. I am going with the Prism Pour colors. You also have a chance to win in each video, so make sure you're subscribing, and comment to each video. So there's a bunch of chances to win here, but for the $400 shopping spree, you have to collect those words, which will be coming up at some point in this video. All right, so let's go through my colors real quick. I have a base paint, and it is Artist Loft White, and I added to that, I wanted like a little bit of a pinky base. Usually I just do a white base, but I thought I wanted to try something different. This is just a Valspar color sample that I got at Lowe's or Home Depot, I don't remember which. I always look on their discount racks, and this was $2.50, and it's just a really pretty pale pink. So I just added that to my white to make this really pretty blush, very baby pink. I also added some iridescent medium by Artist Loft into that. All my paints are mixed Floetrol and a little bit of water. So let's go through the colors real quick. I have Prism Pour Midnight Shadow here, just a pretty dark blue. I have Prism Pour Blue Bonnet, another pretty blue. I also have Dark Waters by Prism Pour, like a phthalo turquoise green. Then I have Neptune's Gaze, one of my favorites, beautiful like emerald green, light emerald green. If you can see, my vibe here is a little bit like rainbowy, okay? So then I have Violet Rose, a beautiful, beautiful, stunning color. All right, and then the next one I have is Deep Amethyst, beautiful purple. Next I mixed these two together, and this was Pink Carnation and Satin Doll. So I just mixed those up together to make this pretty pink. Then I have Pink Diamond. Again, these are all Prism Pours. Beautiful color. Next, I have another two that I mixed up, and this one is Shiny Taffeta and Sour Lemon. So I mixed those two together to make a pretty yellow. I might add a little, I might tone this down just a little because it seems a little bright to me. So let's put that one aside. I also have Abalone Shell, and I might just add some of that old Abalone Shell to that yellow to tone that down. Then I have this one. This is gorgeous. This is Golden Poppy. And it's just like a beautiful golden yellow orange. Look at that. It's so pretty. Love that. All right, so there are all the Prism Pours that I have. And then I have a couple of different colors that I'm going to put in here. This is Liquitex Basics Green, Yellow Green. I have a custom mix. And if you're familiar with that Mysterious, I forget the brand, they stopped making it. It was called Mysterious. It's like a green, and it takes on mysterious colors. It's a really pretty color, but there was a custom mix that I made up to try to emulate that. And then I have my DecoArt Gold, okay, and that's 24 karat gold. So you don't need a whole lot of paint for this. That's why I didn't mix up that much, because you're just putting little bits down and then you're blowing it out. So All right, so I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. This is Artist Loft. These are my favorite canvas. This is a level 3. But all right, so let's get going. And I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment in this video for your chance to win on my channel and everybody else's channel, and collect that word. All right, guys, let's get started.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. Weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply.
Okay, so yes, I was lightheaded. I always get a little lightheaded when I'm blowing these out, but I really do think they come out beautiful. So now I'm just taking the knitting needle and I'm going to do some little twirls, and I'll try to get closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Just twirling it out and giving it some definition, and this is what I really think makes this piece. But it is time for the secret word, and that word is not. N-O-T, not. Write it down. The other thing I did want to say is that I found, usually when I do these, I have all my paints mixed in squeeze bottles, and that makes a world of difference. So if you have time to put them in squeeze bottles, if you're going to attempt this, I highly recommend that, because it's just way easier just to drop the little drops down, and then it goes much quicker. It was a little bit of a process because I was scooping it out of the little containers. So in the future, squeeze bottles. All right, guys, have a great one. Thanks for watching. Let's finish this. Bye.